Yo, Minecraft sharpshooters. Want to blast foes with a totally epic God crossbow in Minecraft 1.2, 1.5? This 2-minute guide is going to make you a combat king. If this vibes, smash that like button and subscribe. Let's roll. Step 1. Fire up Minecraft Java Edition 1.2, 1.5. Pick any world, survival, creative, or a fresh one. I'm diving into my survival world for this. Step 2. If you're in a world, hit ESC to pause. Click Open to LAN. Switch Allow Cheats to On, and hit Start LAN World. Takes like 5 seconds. For a new world, just enable Allow Cheats in the creation menu before launching. Step 3. Press T to open the chat. That's your command zone. Type this killer command. Grab it from the description to copy-paste, cause it's a beast. This spawns a crossbow with max quick charge, multi-shot for triple arrows, and unbreaking 255. Hit enter, and boom, the God crossbow's in your inventory, glowing like a boss. Step 4. Let's test this monster. Type /summon wither to spawn a wither. Yep, the ultimate boss. Load up, aim, and fire. Whoa, those triple shots shred the wither in no time with lightning-fast reloads. If the crossbow doesn't appear, double-check the command or ensure cheats are on. Pro tip, save the command in a note for quick reuse. That's it, you're a crossbow god. Like, subscribe and drop your favorite mob to snipe in the comments. Peace out, see you next time.